This is Professor Monica on strategic management. This is the third video in this series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the strategies used at the corporate level, the grand strategies: stability strategy, expansion or growth strategy, retirement strategy, and combination strategy. And we have seen stability strategy and expansion strategy, part of that. So the remaining part of the strategies are going to be discussed in the same canvas of Bajaj Group from 1926 to 2018. We have seen the use of combined strategy of vertical integration backward and a joint venture when the Bajaj Group started manufacturing Piaggio scooters, turning themselves from an importer to manufacturer of scooters. Then in 1984, we find they moved to motorcycles from scooters, and there also we find vertical integration backward and a JV with Kawasaki. Now let us look at the horizontal integration the group went into. I can tell you, in the expansion of horizontal integration, the group has gone for manufacturing one second. Yeah, got it. Look at this horizontal integration. They set up different manufacturing facilities. Bajaj campus at Akruti still serves as the corporate headquarters where they were earlier manufacturing the Vespa. Today they have manufacturing facilities. Aurangabad facility in 1985, Chakan facility October 1999, and Pantnagar facility in 2007. This is example of horizontal integration. Then coming back to different types of expansion again, there is a related concentrated diversification and unrelated conglomerate diversification. When we talk about related concentric diversification, there are three types. An organization takes up an activity in such a manner that it is related to the existing business definition. It is diversification. It may be of three types: marketing related diversification, then technology related diversification, marketing and technology related diversification. I can give you an example of marketing related diversification. Sewing machine company diversifies into kitchenware and household appliances, which are sold through chain of retail stores to family consumers. Example can be quoted from Bajaj Finance Limited. Bajaj Finance Limited started in 1987, and by 2010 they became Bajaj Finance Limited. Their activities initially was for promoting the sale of two-wheelers, but from that proposition they went into standalone finance company NBFC, which is cross-selling different products. So that is marketing related diversification, the use you find in the Bajaj history. Now technology related diversification, an insurance company offering insurance to institutional customers also starts individual customers. Technology related diversification you can also find in the Bajaj Group, where there is selling to MSMEs and other segments in the finance sector, that is the Bajaj Finance Limited. Marketing and technology related diversification. I can give you an example. Synthetic water tank manufacturer makes other synthetic items such as synthetic doors and windows through its hardware supplier networks. Bajaj Finance Limited by 2017-18 has a consolidated operating income increased by 34% over the previous year to rupees 13,466 crore, and net profit 46% to rupees 2,674 crore, as it disbursed 15.32 million new loans. So that is the kind of expansion Bajaj Finance acquired after moving to this concentrated diversification. Cross-selling is the central framework of financial services business, and Bajaj Finance. In fact, here I have to add that in 2001, the Bajaj Group had conglomerate diversification from a majorly two-wheeler player. The Bajaj Group is diversifying into insurance industry. They diversified both into general insurance and life insurance. With opening of the insurance sector, the company entered into joint venture agreement with Allianz AG Germany for setting up two separate companies, Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company Limited and Allianz Bajaj Life Insurance Company Limited. Bajaj Auto and Allianz signed two separate joint venture agreements for these two businesses and had respectively committed 74% and 26% of the initial share capital of rupees 110 crore in the case of general insurance venture and 150 crore in the case of life insurance venture. So this is a conglomerate diversification as far as the auto player is concerned. Now, once again, let us go back to the different modes of expansion strategy or different modes of growth strategy. Expansion through concentration, expansion through diversification, expansion through cooperation, expansion through internationalization. Expansion through cooperation, the central point of the complementaries among the interest of rival firms. The cooperative strategy could be of following types: mergers and acquisitions, joint ventures, strategic alliances. And we find more use of joint ventures and strategic alliances in the case of Bajaj Group. Mergers and acquisitions were there of lower profile in the case of Bajaj Group. A merger is a combination of two or more organizations in which one acquires the assets and liabilities of the other in exchange for shares or cash, or both. The organizations are dissolved and assets and liabilities are combined and new stock is issued. For the organization which acquires another, it is an acquisition. For the organization which is acquired, it is a merger. Now, look at this diagram. You get a general idea about what happens in a mergers and acquisition. It is leading towards the business objective, but structures, persons, leadership, culture, resources, and that mergers and acquisition strategy that also goes to a certain extent to define the achievement of business objectives. There could be horizontal mergers, when two merging companies are of the same industry and produce similar products. Footwear company merging with another footwear company can be an example. Vertical mergers, when two companies are producing the same goods but are at different stages, it is a vertical merger. It is something like your horizontal integration and vertical integration, not much difference. Concentric merger, when two companies are related to each other in terms of customer functions and customer groups. Conglomerate merger, when two companies operate in different industries. This is what I told you, the Bajaj auto player went into conglomerate diversification when they entered the field of insurance. And you find that by 2007, the Bajaj Auto is entering into agreement with KTM for sports bikes and super bikes. So, from a simple player in the scooters market in early 1960s, the Bajaj Auto is moving away to high-end motorcycles. Simultaneously, we find in 2001 a entry into the finance field in a larger manner, and there we find the Bajaj is playing a strategic alliance in a bigger manner. What is strategic alliance? Strategic alliance is outsourcing allows more companies' value chain activities or functions to be performed by independent specialized companies that focus all their skills and knowledge on just one kind of activity. This example you can find in the history of Bajaj Group when they enter into Triumph Motorcycles marketing partnership in UK. Merger, usually two companies of equal size merge together, voluntary and friendly process. Acquisition, a larger company takes over a smaller company, or a forceful partner is taking a smaller company. Joint venture, two or more companies agree to form entity for a specific task or period, always it is friendly. Strategic alliance is for improving efficiency of companies. It includes no equity investments. That way you have to understand expansion. Now coming to expansion through internationalization. One is the cost pressure, the other is for pressure for local responsiveness. These are the two items that make companies seek internationalization. And in the case of Bajaj, we find company has two subsidiary, namely Bajaj Auto International Holdings BV and PT Bajaj Indonesia. The international strategies, there are four major strategies: international strategy, multi-domestic strategy, global strategy, and transnational strategy. In the case of Bajaj Group, we can say that international strategy, they are generally using it because the standard product Pulsar is exported to more than 70 countries today. Multi-domestic strategy, I can give you the example of Bajaj Group alliance with Triumph in UK for manufacturing and distributing Triumph brand of motorcycles in UK. Global strategy, as of now, I don't have information about use of global strategy by Bajaj Group. However, I can tell you that substantial control over substantial control over the activities of the host is more, because they require good coordination. That's what I have to say. So, for example, aerospace, automobiles, telecommunications, and these kind of products, it is said that substantial control over host is required rather than the just multi-domestic strategy. Then the last one is the transnational strategy. It is global production and global supply, something similar to McDonald's, Nestle, Coca-Cola. Standard product is manufactured and it is sold across, and not much host control is there other than the quality standards and general this thing. The last of these strategies that we have to discuss is the retrenchment strategy. The retrenchment strategy is adopted when an organization aims at reducing its one or more business operations with a view to cut expenses and reach to more stable financial position. And we find the use of retrenchment strategy in two instances with Bajaj Group. First is when they left the scooters market, that they stopped manufacturing of Chetak scooters and they concentrated mainly on manufacturing of Kawasaki motorcycles, later on Pulsar motorcycles. So that moving from scooters to totally motorcycles, that is a retrenchment strategy. Another instance I can tell you is about um, Bajaj Finance Limited shut down its 2-year-old infrastructure lending business in 2012, sensing a downturn. These are the two incidences of Bajaj Group using the retrenchment strategy. Say, another instance also I can add is that Shishir Bajaj and his son Kushagra Bajaj in 2008, they moved from the group, taking away sugar, power and consumer care, whatever businesses they were handling by themselves. So there wasn't much on the functional level activities of the entire group. They just moved with their part of the cake. It didn't affect the other functions. However, the moving from scooters to motorbikes and also moving from this infrastructure lending business, this kind of move have caused some repercussions on the functions. So, for example, while at the peak, 25,000 workers produce 1 million scooters annually, a workforce of 9,000 now makes 4 times that of bikes. So, that is the kind of influence on the functional level when a retrenchment strategy is brought in the Bajaj Group. Then the last one is about the balancing the portfolio. Balancing the portfolio means that different products or businesses in the portfolio have to be balanced with respect to 4 aspects: profitability, cash flow, growth and risk. About this we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.